The video guide is about getting rid of the new adware type application called InitialClick. InitialClick is a new adware from the adload family of adware type infections. InitialClick adware, once installed, may start periodically displaying quite intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you actually visit. So, if this InitialClick was somehow found on your computer, you need to definitely get rid of it as soon as you can. Right click on it and then move it to the trash. Finally, I would also recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner antivirus can be found on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software using this green download button. By the way, the application is available for all popular operating systems. So download the software, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, then start carefully investigating your computer to detect and remove other infections. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.